No. Ready? 1, 2. Oh, shit!
No, it's okay. It's okay. I can't do that. She's
Hi, baby. Okay.
Lift me up. I can stop.
I got to show everyone the ridiculousness at the back door. I thought she wanted in, just like Chris did the other day. She's belly up to the bar for another drink.
Backflip. Ow! Oh my god! Ah! Okay. No.
Тебе. Подгон. Опять тебе.
Спасибо.
Еще тебе.
Hey friends! Animals always seem to find a way to turn an ordinary day into something unforgettable. Let's take a look.
Why are you drunk?
told you not to do.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Steady. Go.
Bambi does not like the cows. Oh my god.
Jackie, what have you been up to? Well, I've been at work. Did you do that?
Okej, ska få sova lite.
A carrot? Take.
That's not what you're supposed to do. This looks good.
Digga, mal ablecken bitte. Dankeschön. Perfekt.
Sometimes all it takes is one little thing, and there's no stopping a dog after that.
in.
Found that island chicken nest. Can you say hey? Hey. Hey? Hey. Hey. Hey.
Le fils de... Mais je veux...
Eddie. Okay.
I have to admit, that was a pretty impressive recovery.
I like how we promote the worst behavior ever. Levi Jordan.
He's hungry.
What are you doing, buddy?
I bet it feels good. What did you do?
Oh my God.
Puppies have a way of making things a lot more memorable.
Everything is blue.
This one is very, very sweet.
Pony. That's a pony.
No, that's a Doberman.
That's a.
It's your boy. No way I'm seeing this right now.
Squeak! Come on! Squeaky! Come on!
Stop videoing it.
good to go. Yeah, you're going.
Can I get a woo? Good girl.
Delivering packages. We have been told what to do for dogs. What do I do with this? What do I do with cow? Hi, friend.
Cats don't follow the rules. They create them.
It's baking as fast as it can.
Oh. You good?
Oh, he's purring. Ow, ow, ow.
Pew, pew.
This office is not tolerant cats. Find that.
Hey, get back. Whoa.
This is a good reminder of how smart dogs really are.
Good boy. Grab me the keys. Grab me the keys. Grab me the keys. Good boy. Give me the keys. Give me the keys. Good boy.
Olha isso. Olha isso. Olha isso. Ninguém segura mais.
Et c'est ça l'image du marathon international de Marrakech.
Good girl. Well done.
There's one problem this cat doesn't seem too worried about.
Does anyone else like to keep their pets in their hoodie? Something close to your heart. You can whip it out when you need to. Good morning, Buford.
Ah! Oh my god.
gotta be kidding me! How did he do it? Did he get it? Oh my God! He caught him in an RKO in midair! An RKO in midair! Amazing!
Up and down, your turn. I spilled the sugar. Reggie, get. Look at him. Reggie, you're already sweet. Get out of the sugar.
Ralph! No, Ralph! Ralph, come here! Oh. That's so cute.
She's not my cat.
She's not your cat?
Yeah,
She came from here?
I came from here.
No! Girl! Oh, she's going back home. Bye, girl.
This might be the easiest way to burn off a dog's energy.
What is wrong with these cats? Like the bro, 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 like the bro.
So I saw my cat outside, and I brought him in. But if that's my cat,
Who the f is this? A dog. Check. Oh, it's alive!
Come here. Hey, come here.
Dexter! Dexter's a big boy!
Somehow, these dogs turned fetch into a team sport.